Hello, dear friends. Are you holding on to negative thoughts, negative beliefs, and also painful memories and all the financial worries? And what if I told you that the key to abundance is just by simply letting go of all those negative emotional thoughts and beliefs from your system, from your body, from your mind? So, hi, my name is Pratibha, and welcome to my channel Mindfulness with Pratibha. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can let go of all these negative thoughts, beliefs inside you and create abundance in your life. So, first of all, I want to tell you that imagine that you are holding a glass of water, and this glass of water, if I told you to hold on for a few seconds, minutes, it seems to be very light for you. But if I told you that keep on holding this glass of water for a few hours or days or a longer period of time, it is simply going to be very difficult, or rather impossible, because it gets heavier, heavier, and heavier, although it's light for some time when you hold it. So, this is what, when we accumulate all those negative thoughts, emotions, beliefs in our system, and keep on holding it in our thoughts, in our mind, in our body, it accumulates, it gets heavier, 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 and then we are not able to survive, or maybe we are affecting our health, relationship, career, and money. So, the technique that is letting go of technique is will help you release all those emotions, negative emotions, thoughts, worries instantly. You'll feel lighter and attract lots of abundance. So, first of all, the step to let go technique is, first of all, be aware. Yes, acknowledge yourself that you are okay. It's okay that you are going through this negative thoughts or worries or painful memories or anything that is very negative in you. You should acknowledge it. You should not be judgmental about it, and accept it that yes, I am going through all these things and I'm ready to let go of, and I'm not now ready for this healing, and I take 100% responsibility that I have attracted all these negative thoughts, worries, or inside me that is there, and I am responsible. So, acknowledgement is very necessary. Second, do Ho'oponopono prayer. Yes, remove all the negative emotions, thoughts that is coming in to your life. Whether it's any negative, you can write down in your paper and remove all the negative beliefs, thoughts that comes in your mind one by one by doing Ho'oponopono prayer, by simply saying, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And third is to release and trust. So, when you are releasing through breath, yes, the release technique is through breath. So, simply you can just take deep breaths for all those negative emotions that is accumulated inside you. Take deep breaths, imagine all those worries, painful things, and what not is going on, all the negative things that is coming into your mind. Take deep breath and release. When you release through your breath, you will release all those negative thoughts, emotions, beliefs that is there in your system, and then you'll feel lighter. You'll feel all that negative thing is just gone from your system. With that belief, with that trust, when you do it again and again, I'm sure you will feel so good. And the thing is, you should surrender now whatever is there that is going on. Just simply surrender to universe that I have done my part. I have done all those things that is making me realize, acknowledging Ho'oponopono prayer and releasing technique through breath. I've done all this, and I trust you, universe, that you are going to take care from it now, from me now. So when you have all these things, when you do it regularly, and see that you are letting go all these things by all these techniques which I've told you, that is acknowledge yourself, Ho'oponopono prayer, and release technique through breath, you will feel lighter. And when your system is just releasing all those negativity, your system is now a pure empty system that is now attracting lot of positivity, and with the intention that yes, my system is now ready to attract lot of abundance, positive energy in me for all the areas of life, for health, relationship, career and money. So this was it. So simply do this technique, letting go technique, in these steps that I've told you, and become a abundant person in your life. So hope this was a valuable video. Do try it out whenever you face all these challenges. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to know more such techniques, follow all the Ho'oponopono prayer and all the things that you want to do in the Ho'oponopono sessions. The link is there in the WhatsApp of my WhatsApp. Link is there in the description, in the bio section. You can check it out. You can just be there in that WhatsApp group in my community, where I take regular Ho'oponopono sessions and release all the negativity that is there in your life. So thank you once again. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.